All right, check this out. So I got my door panels here, and I've had this carbon fiber vinyl for a little while, so thought that I might as well just use it. And I'm just gonna wrap it, and then I just gotta cut these out, work some of these little air bubbles out of here. I went with the ones with the speaker holes. So I could listen to some tunes. So the way I do it is I just work back and forth. Just a little bit at a time. I'm not in a hurry. Pretty much right at the end there. And I just gotta come over that little bit of a lip. Cut some of this excess stuff off here. Boom. Save that for later, huh? That looks pretty dang good. I kind of like it. Boom. Yeah, those will look super nice inside of this little sucker.